tanata, our physical self, and the thing that connects the both is wairua. And so that's why we go through this ture. And that's why you'll get sprinkled 3 times. When you get sprinkled 3 times, the waiter might carry on. At the end of that, we'll ask, you can let go of your hands at the end, and the rest of us can come out. For those of you who want to jump in, if you haven't already, for those of you who want to jump in, you can. If you are going to jump in, make sure you get your head underneath the water. For those that are going to watch, why? Also, the reason why we have our 2 men on the end of the line, just to let you know, is they're like the anchors. So they're the ones that will make sure that we stick to the ground, no one goes floating. That's also why we link hands. And trust me, we've seen people float physically.